Ever walked through a quiet forest and spotted a lone crow, perched like a dark silhouette against the mist? You might just see a bird, but you're actually looking at one of the smartest creatures on our planet. Crows aren't just any birds, they're feathered Einsteins. And today we're diving deep into their incredible world. Get ready to have your mind blown. So, how smart are they really? Imagine being given a complex puzzle box with a delicious snack locked inside. For a crow, that's just another Tuesday. Scientists have watched in amazement as crows solve multi-step problems that would stump a young child. They can even make their own tools. We've seen them take a straight piece of wire, bend it into a perfect little hook, and use it to fish a treat out of a narrow tube. It's not just instinct. It's pure problem-solving genius. When you look at their brain-to-body size ratio, it's actually larger than ours. That's right, proportionally, they have more brain power packed into their small frames than we do. It's no wonder they're so clever. But their intelligence isn't just about getting food. Crows have a surprisingly deep and complex social life. Have you ever seen a group of crows gather around one of their own that has passed away? It looks like a funeral, and in a way, it is. They're not just mourning, they're learning. They gather information, trying to figure out what danger might have caused their friend's death, so they can avoid it in the future. It's a somber, collective act of survival, and their communication. It's far more than just random cause. Crows have a sophisticated language of calls, clicks, and rattles. What's even more fascinating is that they have regional accents. A crow from the city will sound different from a crow in the countryside, just like people from different places. They're basically talking to each other, sharing information about food, predators, and who knows what else. Their relationship with us humans is just as remarkable. Crows have an uncanny ability to recognize and remember human faces, and they hold on to those memories for years. If you're ever mean to a crow, don't be surprised if it scolds you every time you walk by. They'll even teach their friends and family that you're not to be trusted. But the opposite is also true. If you're kind to a crow, perhaps leaving out some peanuts or unsalted nuts, they'll remember your kindness. There are countless stories of crows leaving little gifts for the people who feed them. Shiny pebbles, bottle caps, a lost earring, these are their tokens of appreciation. It's a beautiful, and very real, exchange between two different species. It shows a level of understanding and reciprocity that is truly special. Beyond their friendships with humans, crows form deep bonds with each other. They are often monogamous and mate for life. You can sometimes see a pair of crows perched side by side, preening each other's feathers in a tender display of affection. They work together to build nests, raise their young, and defend their territory. Their family bonds are strong, and young crows will often stay with their parents for several years, helping to raise their younger siblings. It's a cooperative family unit built on loyalty and partnership. They truly are lovebirds in every sense of the word. So the next time you see a crow, don't just see a black bird. See a toolmaker, a problem solver, a loyal friend, and a devoted partner. See a creature with a complex mind and a rich social life, navigating a world that we're only just beginning to understand. These intelligent beings share our cities and forests, watching us just as we watch them. They remind us that intelligence and emotion aren't exclusive to humans. There's a whole world of wonder out there, sometimes right in our own backyards, if we just take a moment to look. Thanks for watching. If you found these incredible crows as fascinating as I do, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more amazing stories from the animal kingdom. See you next time.